Danielle, and I'm back with another video. So before I get into this video, make sure that you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and make sure that y'all post notification bell turned on so you get a notification every time your girl upload another video. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So in today's video, I will be showing y'all how I got these long butt length box braids. This was a last minute video, so excuse how I'm looking in it. I was just ready to get my hair done. Alright, so I have 2 more braids to do. As you can see, they're already sectioned and parting off. I do the rubber band method, so yeah, this is what I'm working with. I'm just gonna tuck this over here so I can start with this one. The way I do my box braids is different from a lot of other people I've noticed, but this is what works for me and it lasts, so yeah. So basically what I do is I take my hair and I use my hair as the third piece pretty much, and I start dividing my real hair into this hair and I start braiding down. And if you see me looking towards this way, it's because I have a mirror in front of me, so I need to see what I'm doing. I do have some Shining Jam and some Eco Styling Gel that you will see me use while I'm doing this braid. It just helps hold it together. I like to mix them together and put it onto the hair. So I feel like I've braided enough. Now I'm gonna go in and add, I just used like about 1/3 of a half of the piece that I showed y'all that I started with of hair. I'm just gonna add it in. And I use my gel and jam to hold that in to make sure it's good. Braid down to about this much because I'm gonna dip these when I'm done, so it's not really gonna matter. Now on to the last braid. Oh my gosh, I am so happy. I feel like I've been doing my hair forever, and this didn't even take long. Honestly, it was the parts that really got me, because I be struggling. If you do your own hair, then you know the struggle be real trying to get these parts. I'm gonna try to do this braid a little close up because I don't think y'all was really able to see how I got this braid. So yeah, once again, I just take the hair, I wrap it around like this and get my knot, and I use my hair as the third piece. Braiding until the braid is starting to go in a little small. Then that is when I go in with my extra piece that I have for it to be longer. Okay, y'all, so there y'all have it. I wish I didn't have this black shirt on because it's kind of hard for y'all to see, but this is the front, this is the back, this is what it's looking like. Okay, y'all, so that's it for this video. I hope that y'all enjoyed. I hope that I was able to teach somebody how to do box braids or teach you a new way that's quicker, that I like, that works better for me. Make sure to leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about this video. Let me know if y'all like to see more videos like this of me showing y'all how I do my hair whenever I change out my styles. Don't forget to like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and make sure your post notification bell is turned on so that you get a notification every time your girl upload another video.